South Africa's Science Oscars, the NSTF South 32 Awards, are a collaborative effort to recognize and reward excellence in science, engineering, technology and innovation. This is the flagship project of the National Science and Technology Forum, or NSTF, a non-profit stakeholder forum of organizations with the same focus and interest. The NSTF theme for 2025 is Quantum Science and Technology, in alignment with the United Nations proclamation of 2025 as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. A special annual theme award was made to celebrate work in relation to this theme. This year, the NSTF is celebrating its 30th anniversary. We reflect on the journey from humble beginnings to national recognition. This anniversary is more than a celebration of time, it's a tribute to purpose, people, and progress. To commemorate this occasion, Mr. Dawie Botha was honored as the third recipient of the prestigious NSTF Ukhozi Award, recognizing his lifetime contribution to the NSTF organization and South Africa through his leadership in civil engineering. We also had the privilege of commemorating 10 years of partnership with our esteemed co-branding sponsor, South 32, recognizing their substantial contribution to our success. The NSTF South 32 Awards are unique in that there are youth outreach programs associated with it. The NSTF Brilliance Program is for students in the sciences, medicine, and engineering fields who received 90% and more in mathematics and physical science in the matric examinations last year. And the NSTF Share and Dare program, which holds up the NSTF winners as role models for the youth. Award winners were rewarded with a unique trophy made of titanium and proudly produced by additive manufacturing with South African expertise. The NSTF is grateful for the support of the community at large and the partners and sponsors, namely South 32 and our founding partner, the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation. The category sponsors: Water Research Commission, National Intellectual Property Management Office or NIPMO, South African Medical Research Council, the Technology Innovation Agency, the Science Diplomacy Capital for Africa Initiative, and new category sponsor for Agricultural Research and Innovation, the Agricultural Research Council. Our media sponsors, Business Report and Mail and Guardian. Our youth outreach sponsors, the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation, South 32, the South African Council for Natural Scientific Professions, and the London International Youth Science Forum. And finally, for the prize sponsors, NIPMO, the South African Young Academy of Science, and ProSet, the professional body sector of the NSTF. The awards event recognized, honored, and celebrated 18 winners in 2 cities simultaneously, Cape Town and Johannesburg, as follows. Lifetime Award, Professor Lisa Korsten, University of Pretoria. T.W. Kambule NSTF Researcher Award, Professor Yinji Ma, Stellenbosch University. The 2 T.W. Kambule NSTF Emerging Researchers awardees are Dr. Rachel Dangarambisi, University of Cape Town, and Dr. Emmanuel Koyenor Tete of Durban University of Technology. The Management Award went to Dr. Jabum Chweni, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. The 2 Engineering Research Capacity Development awardees are Professor Anne Fitchett, University of the Witwatersrand, and the Vehicle Dynamics Group, represented by Professor Pieter Schalk, University of Pretoria. The Water Award was won by Professor Bongani Mkube, Cape Peninsula University of Technology. The Clinician Scientist Award, Professor Shahida Musa, Stellenbosch University. The Green Economy Award went to Professor Nobanati Wendy Mokakatu, University of Johannesburg. The Science Diplomacy Awardee was the Center for Community Technologies, Nelson Mandela University, represented by Professor Darrell van Groenen. The first Agricultural Award went to Professor Olaniyi Amos Fawole, University of Johannesburg. The Data for Research Award, Mammal Research Institute Whale Unit, University of Pretoria, represented by Professor Barnard Erasmus. The Innovation Award to a small, medium or micro enterprise went to Professor Namrita Lal of the University of Pretoria. The Innovation Award to a corporate organization went to the Innovation and Commercialization Unit at Stellenbosch University, comprising Innovos Technology Transfer Office, Launch Lab, and University of Stellenbosch Enterprises, represented by Director of the Technology Transfer Office, Ms. Ravini Moodley. The Communication Awardee was Professor Ryan Blumenthal of the University of Pretoria. The Non-Governmental Organization Award went to Amakawe Ngemfundo, represented by Founder and Director Professor Vanelwa Ngeke Ajay. And finally, the Special Annual Theme Award for Quantum Science and Technology went to Professor Andrew Forbes of the University of the Witwatersrand. The Hybrid Awards Gala dinners were broadcast live from both Cape Town and Johannesburg on 31st July 2025. The event honored 81 finalists and 18 winners were announced. They are all beacons of excellence and an embodiment of the award slogan, Today's Research, Tomorrow's Innovation.